on the top and let the sharpener do the work for you. Okay, so let's do a review of the box, and here is the box of the sharpener that I bought last month from Shopee. You can buy one from Amazon if you're from other countries. There's a long cord. This long cord serves as your electrical part for the sharpener. It's very long. I like it. And as you can see inside, there's the sharpener. It's blue-green. I've chosen that color, and there are other colors. And I've already tested this one, as you can see. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna test our sharpener. So when you are going to connect it to the electric socket, you need this adapter. So you're just gonna connect the end of it, the USB part, to the adapter. And if you don't have one, you need to have 4 AA batteries. Okay, right now at the back, it's where you're gonna connect the end of the electrical cord. So you just put that in, and you're gonna connect this through your electrical wall socket. And of course it needs to have that adapter, so everything will run through electricity, since I don't have 4 AA batteries. And now we're gonna test the sharpener. Okay, so what we are gonna need next is our pencil, because we're gonna test this. So the technique here is to actually push the pencil inside the top of the sharpener. Press it and do not move the hand. Let the sharpener work to sharpen the pencil. And as you can see, it's now very sharp. Okay, so that's the first pencil, and what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use another pencil, which is a blunt pencil that I'm gonna put this sharpener up close for you guys to see. Just put it in on the top and let the sharpener do the work for you. Make sure that you're not gonna go against the sharpener as it's spinning, and you can see the inside of it, how it works. It's just simple as that. You're just gonna push it in and it's gonna do the sharpening. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna test out my Prismacolor pencils. This is the Scholar brand. It's different from the softcore original or the artist grade. I'm not saying this is not original, but it's the artist grade brand. It's different because these are like the student grade, and they're very unbreakable. I've already sharpened all of the 60 pencils, and they're very affordable. I've done a video, I'm gonna release it soon, about these pencils. Watch out for that. And they're really great. So they are very unbreakable, and it's easy to sharpen too. Okay, so basically what I am gonna do next is to remove the cover. You see there are a lot of pencil shavings and dirt. You just need to remove the electrical cord before you're gonna remove the front cover. Just pull it out carefully so that you can throw away the shavings, and then just need to move it back by pushing it and just following the ridges and carefully push it so that it locks into place. And for me, this pencil sharpener is very good. It's good for students and artists like me. Just need to put it back to the original box so that you can store it. And I do have the manual. It has a manual actually. I'm gonna show this to you guys right now. The good thing about the manual, it's translated in English. You can just read through, and I've done this video so that students can just follow through on how to use the electric sharpener easily. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video, and please don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and then hit the bell button so that you can be notified of the next coming videos. I do videos every Tuesday and Friday. And just comment below on what you think of the video and what other videos you want me to do next. Thank you, and have a good day.